Your pot should neither be too small because the orchid would tip over, nor too big because roots must feel that space is tight for the plant to bloom. Moisten the sphagnum, then add orchid soil mix and stir well. Remove your orchid from its pot and disentangle the roots. Cut at their base any roots that are dry or rotten, as well as yellowed leaves and old flower stapes. Fill the bottom of your new pot with a blend without pressing it down. Then place the orchid in the center, letting the longer roots hang out from the pot. Backfill with what remains of the blend. Tap the pot to help the soil blend sink in between the roots. Top up if needed. Simply moisten the leaves and roots with a hand sprayer. Water 2 weeks after having repotted. Wait 2 months before adding any fertilizer. Place the orchid back in its pot holder and bring it back to where it was before.